honestly.
Hey you guys, it's the girl K Simone, and today's video is gonna be me trying a new lock style. I picked up these perm rods from the beauty supply store, and they're actually on the smaller side. I was gonna get like some more thicker perm rods, but I was like, I want tight curls. So if you want tight curls, get the gray ones or the pink ones. The white ones are actually kind of thin too, but they are a little thicker than the gray ones. But I also got this mousse, the Lotta Body mousse. It smells so good. But now we're just gonna get into the style. So I'm gonna section off my hair into 4 parts. Well, I'm gonna start on the back first because I feel like the back always takes longer for some odd reason. But it could be because I have more locks in the back of my head versus the front. All right. So I'm gonna do this one first. Yeah, I did my retwist last night. Oop, that is not coming out. I was like, should I do a style or should I like do curls? And I was gonna do 2-strand, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try some perm rods. I feel like that'd be really pretty. So I'm just gonna put it on the end and I'm just gonna wrap it up. I'm wrapping it the opposite way from my head, just so the curls can be spiral. Some people do it from the root and just wrap it like that, but I'm gonna do it like that for the back of my head since that's where I can't see. I really wonder how these would come out. And it's not like I never seen my hair curly before because I did 2-strand. But I don't know, I never tried perm rods on my locks. I'm on row 3 now, guys.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
I'm done. New section.
Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one? And I
can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Look at her.
Alright guys, so I finally finished putting in the perm rods, and this is how it looks. These curls are going to be so tight and cute, but I'm just going to sit underneath the dryer for like 20 minutes to an hour, just so it can be mostly dry. I'm also going to spritz my hair.
Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the
I'm gonna style it and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright you guys, I just finished my hair. Curls are finally dropping. I don't know why it's always that one lock that just don't wanna behave. Like, what?